Okay, so I've turned my laser way down power-wise. And I need to reset its height. So if you guys haven't watched my other videos, you can see the cross. So I'll explain it quick. When the dot comes into the cross, my laser is in focus. I'll put a link to that video up. So now, this is 3 millimeters. I don't know, what's bread? 8 millimeters. So when I move my laser over here to get my height, doesn't matter. I put my laser down and my height is good. I don't technically have to check it. So I'm going to pull this away and check this real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is a little lower power here. Because it's bread, I have no idea of power settings. So we're going to try it out and see if I blast right through this piece of wheat bread. Yeah. So this is Will Laser number 3. Alrighty, so there you go. Yeah. We're pretty good. Kind of good. You can see it. It is pretty crunchy. I'm going to actually try that again, but I'm not going to fill it this time. So this process should be way quicker. Alright, you can see it, but I want to give it a little more power and we'll try again. Yeah, see, that's not too bad. Let's, I'm going to go up a lot of power and we'll try it one more time. Alright guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next one, because what's a piece of bread without a piece of cheese? We're going to try cheese next. Hey, look, it's about the same size. Thanks guys, have a good one. Stop back for more. I got more on the way. And send me any comments or thoughts you have. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.